Ever see your friend post those 2 weeks in Europe, paid for with points photos, and think they must be drowning in credit card debt? Spoiler, you can do the same thing and stay totally debt-free. Kara Green, travel hacker, personal finance pro, and the voice behind Aunt Kara, shares the smart way to rack up credit card points. No overspending, no interest, no debt. Point 1. Spend only what you can pay off. The first rule is crucial. Never put more on a credit card than you can pay off each month. According to Green, credit cards are simply a tool I use to turn the money I'm already spending on everyday expenses, like groceries, gas, and bills, into points, miles, and cash back. She uses her cards for things she already buys, then pays them off in full. That's how she's managed 10 active cards and 0 debt. Point 2. Earn smart with sign-up bonuses. You don't have to spend thousands to rack up rewards. The real wins come from sign-up bonuses. Green explains, you earn generous sign-up bonuses, often 50,000 to 80,000 points, just for opening a new card and meeting a modest spending requirement. So, how do you do this without setting off credit score alarms? Kara Green wants you to understand the credit game. Applying for a new card might dip your score a few points, but it bounces back fast if you keep balances low and pay on time. That's not risky. It's just smart credit strategy. Point 3. Redeem wisely. Treat your points like a savings account. Use them carefully and intentionally. Green says, how you redeem your points is just as important as how you earn them. I want to see at least 1.25 to 1.5 cents of value per point before I consider using them. Don't waste those valuable points on a cheap flight when they could cover a high-value, expensive trip later. If the flight is cheap, just pay cash. Save your points for the redemption where they truly shine and make you feel like a financial genius. So yeah, the secret is out. You can have the points without the debt. It's all about discipline, snagging those sign-up bonuses, and treating your points like the powerful financial tool they are. Listen to your Aunt Kara and start planning that trip. Got a money question? Head to GoBankingRates.com and ask away for a chance to win $500. Plus, your question could be answered by a top financial expert.